say these are my duplicate here. Okay, I will go to data. There's a new function here called remove duplicates, if you don't know. Here. You all means you have not been using it, right? How long has it come out? 10 years ago. Okay? So you just click this one. You can say, I want the duplicates to be based on description. So I will uncheck this. Based on description, and I'll just based on description here. One item, click OK, and it will tell you 37 duplicates, 41 unique values removed. So your post only left one.